Have you ever looked up at a group of birds chilling on a power line and wondered, why aren't they getting zapped? I mean, those wires carry enough electricity to power an entire neighborhood. But somehow, the birds just sit there, completely unbothered. Here's the shocking truth. It's all about electricity's favorite thing, shortcuts. Electricity always looks for the easiest path to travel, from high energy to low energy. When a bird lands on a single wire, both its feet are at exactly the same electrical potential. There's nowhere for the electricity to go, so it just keeps flowing along the wire. The bird? Totally safe. Think of it like standing on a flat field. No hills, no valleys. Nothing is pulling you in any direction. But let's say our bird buddy stretches out and touches another wire, or a metal pole with a different voltage. Suddenly, there's a shortcut. Electricity races through the bird's body, trying to balance out the energy difference. That's when things get dangerous. And yes, that's when electrocution happens. So, as long as birds only touch one wire, they're in the clear. It's also why line workers wear special gear and avoid touching two things at once. They're not just being careful, they're following the same rules as the birds. Here's a fun fact. Some birds do get zapped, usually the big ones with wide wingspans, if they accidentally touch two wires at once. But for most, their size actually keeps them safe. So next time you spot a row of birds just hanging out, you'll know they're not risking it all. They're just following the simple laws of physics. Science is everywhere, even above our heads.